Identifying a rough diamond at home can be challenging, especially because rough diamonds often look dull and unattractive, similar to ordinary stones or quartz. However, there are several simple tests and observations you can perform at home to get a strong indication of whether a stone might be a real rough diamond or not. These methods are not a substitute for professional gemological testing, but they are very useful as first steps. 1. Observe the shape and surface texture. Rough diamonds usually have irregular shapes with sharp edges and natural crystal forms such as octahedrons or cubes. They often appear greasy or oily on the surface and do not have smooth, rounded edges like river stones. Real rough diamonds often look dull or slightly shiny, not glassy, sharp-edged, naturally fractured, not polished. 2. Transparency and light test. Hold the stone under a strong light or sunlight. Rough diamonds do not reflect rainbow colors like glass or quartz. Light passing through a real diamond appears straight and sharp, not scattered. You can also place the stone on printed text. If you cannot clearly read through it, that is a good sign. If the letters appear magnified or distorted, it is likely not a diamond. Hash 3. Fog test, breath test. Breathe on the stone to create fog. A real diamond disperses heat very quickly, so the fog disappears almost immediately. If the fog lasts for several seconds, the stone is likely fake. Tar 4 water test. Drop the stone into a glass of water. Diamonds are very dense and will sink quickly to the bottom. If the stone floats or sinks slowly, it is probably not a diamond. 5. Scratch test with caution. Diamonds are extremely hard and can scratch glass. Try scratching a glass surface gently. If it scratches the glass easily and remains undamaged, it may be a diamond. Warning, this test can damage the stone or the glass and is not recommended for valuable samples. 6. Weight comparison. Diamonds are heavier than many similar-looking stones. Compare the weight of the stone with a quartz or glass stone of the same size. If it feels noticeably heavier, that is a positive sign. 7. Look for natural inclusions. Use a magnifying glass or a smartphone camera zoom. Rough diamonds often contain tiny natural inclusions or imperfections. Perfect clarity in a rough stone is very rare and suspicious. Important note, home tests can only give indications, not absolute proof. Many stones can pass one or two tests but still be fake. For confirmation, always consult a professional gemologist, a diamond tester, a certified laboratory, GIA, IGHRD. Conclusion: identifying a rough diamond at home is possible using simple tests like observation, fog test, water test, and light behavior. While these methods are useful for beginners and collectors, professional testing is essential before buying or selling any stone believed to be a real diamond.